Hi, we are Team Genuine. This is our project. First of all, this is the login screen. You can log in through different roles such as the fleet manager, driver, safety officer, or analyst. We'll start with the fleet manager. It has access to everything on the dashboard. The authentication is powered by JWT. It is and is secured via different routes, and all the data is stored in our database, which is the PostgreSQL database on Neon. We have a sample dataset of around 50 entries each. Now all of this data is represented in real time on our dashboard. This is our dashboard. It contains all the information regarding the fleet, such as the fleet size, active trips, and everything. You can also track the fleets in real time on this interactive map as shown. It is powered by Leaflet using React. You can also track which fleet is where and its driver as well as the cargo size. You can also check the expense breakdown as well as the fleet status, how many fleets are running, how many are currently in the shop, and how many of them are currently on the trip. Here you can see how many trips have been completed, the trip status, and all of this is real data present inside our database. Nothing is dummy or non-functional. Here you can see all the recent trips and alerts and warnings. Now you can also export all of this data into a Excel file or CSV directly through this button. See, uh, everything is represented in the CSV file. All the trip status and data, everything. You can also export it as PDFs from this button. Here are the details of all the vehicles available, how many are in shop and how many are on trip. You can click each of the vehicles and see its complete details. You can also add any vehicle from here directly, and it is updated in the database present. Here are the list of the drivers. Every driver has a safety score according to the data our model analyzes through all the trips the driver has completed. Every driver has his or her phone number as well as their current status. Here are all the trip status, such as the Mumbai port trip. It shows the real-time progress and all the details necessary. If the trip is completed, it shows that it is completed, and when was it created and when it was it completed, dispatched, fuel consumed, everything is shown in detail. Here is the maintenance section. All the maintenance data is present here. Here are all the expenses data, how many fuel cost and due to how many entries, other cost, grand total. Now each of these sections has its separate logging feature. You can also add any vehicle you want, add any new driver, add any new trip. You can also have a map view of all the trips currently active, such as this trip in Uttar Pradesh. You can see this. Here you can add any maintenance log. Now everything is saved in the database, nothing is temporary. Here you can see the expenses and everything. Now if we sign out and log in as the driver, we can see all the trips any driver has completed along with the map view. Same goes for the analyst. The analyst can see the dashboard, the expenses. Everything is role based, and no one can access uh, the data which is not uh, made for them. It has also a light and dark mode for in functionality. Now all the data is stored directly in the database, as we can see. You can save the time and see the driver is saved along with the safety score. The safety score is uh, there from the starting, and it gradually dips according to the trips completed by the driver or improves further. So yeah, this is our project Transit Ops, and uh, we have all the code in the repository. The code is clean and easily readable, and we have also deployed the website. We will link it in the README file. Thank you.